I'm Brandy with thenewfamily.com, and I'm here at Mount St. Louis today, where it's -17 before the wind chill factor. I've been asked by Phoenix to give out these fantastic share packs, and since it's so cold today, I figured there'd be a lot of runny noses, so this is the perfect day to give them away. So the day is over and I'm packing up, and my conclusion is people appreciate Phoenix and the ski hill because, well, it's snotty out there, man. Anyway, here's hoping you get through cold and flu season and maybe have a little fun in the snow too.